Have you ever wondered why some people build wealth while others work their entire lives and still struggle with money? The biggest reason you're broke actually isn't your salary. Earning a massive paycheck doesn't automatically prevent you from struggling. Instead, the real culprit is one specific habit that millions of people repeat every single month. The answer isn't luck, it isn't intelligence, it's habits. Today, I'll show you the biggest financial mistakes keeping people broke and exactly how to escape them.
I really want you to ask yourself this question right off the bat. Seriously, you probably know someone making a massive six-figure salary who is just drowning in anxiety at the end of the month, right? It's a wild paradox. But again, the answer to this isn't about having better luck or raw intelligence.
It all comes down to your habits, specifically your financial habits. Once you see these invisible patterns that are actively keeping people broke, you won't be able to unsee them. So let's dive right in and flip the script.
Here is our roadmap for today's explainer: the habit keeping you broke, the lifestyle inflation trap, bad debt and hidden losses, the single income risk, and finally, the blueprint to escape.
Number 1, the habit keeping you broke.
So this exposes mistake number 1. Most people get paid and then immediately start spending. Rent, a weekend shopping trip, fancy restaurants, and, oh yeah, those 5 different streaming subscriptions you completely forgot about. By the end of the month, absolutely nothing is left. The money is just gone, and the stress sets in.
And this perfectly illustrates the difference. On one hand, you have the broke habit: spend first and hope to save whatever is left, which, let's be honest, is usually zero. But wealthy people, they do the exact opposite. They save first, then spend what's left. Honestly, that one single habit changes everything.
Moving to number 2, the lifestyle inflation trap.
Now, this trap perfectly disguises itself as success, which makes it super dangerous. You get a raise, right? But instead of investing that extra cash, you buy a newer phone, a more expensive car, luxury clothes. So your income goes up, but your actual wealth, your savings, stays completely flat.
Here's the crucial takeaway: do not increase your lifestyle every time your income increases. Increase your investments instead. Think of your investments like a financial engine. If you constantly upgrade the paint job, your lifestyle, but never upgrade the engine, you're never going to move any faster.
That leads us right into number 3, bad debt and hidden losses.
Now, not all debt is bad. We know that. But bad debt, specifically relying on high-interest credit cards to fund a lifestyle you can't actually afford, is mistake number 3. It can literally trap you for years, forcing you to sacrifice your future earnings just to pay for a vacation you took 3 years ago.
To fight this impulse, you need a mental circuit breaker. Before buying something, pause and ask yourself, do I really need this, or am I just buying it because I want the dopamine hit today? Small, everyday decisions like this create big financial results over time.
But here's a crazy twist. Let's say you do everything right. You avoid bad debt and you actually save your money. You can still lose if you make mistake number 4, saving your money but never actually investing it.
You see, over time, inflation acts as a quiet thief. Year after year, it slowly and silently reduces the value of your uninvested cash. The numbers in your checking account might stay the exact same, but your buying power totally drops.
That's why learning the basics of long-term investing is a total must. Investing helps your money actually grow over time. And the golden rule? Time. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to compound and do the heavy lifting for you while you sleep.
Next up, number 4, the single income risk.
This is mistake number 5, and it leaves you incredibly vulnerable. One job, one paycheck, one single source of income. That is incredibly risky. It's like sitting on a stool with only one leg. If anything happens to that one job, your entire financial foundation just crumbles instantly.
True resilience requires backup systems. Many people look for additional income by diversifying. Whether it's taking on a freelance work, starting a small online business, or other side projects, diversifying your income makes your finances way more resilient.
All right, number 5, the blueprint to escape. We've covered the traps keeping people broke, so here is your simple plan to escape. Step 1, save at least 20% of your income. Step 2, avoid unnecessary debt. Step 3, invest consistently. Step 4, keep learning about money. And step 5, stay patient.
I really want to emphasize that last step. Wealth is built steadily over years, not overnight. There's no magic button here, guys. Ignore the flashy get-rich-quick schemes on social media and just trust the boring, consistent process.
Remember, being rich isn't about looking rich. It's not about designer bags or leasing cars to impress strangers. It's about having true financial freedom and peace of mind. The sooner you build these smart money habits, the sooner your entire life can change.
So, I'll leave you with this final, super important thought for today's explainer. Look at your daily habits and ask yourself, are you working just to look rich, or are you working to actually be free? If you enjoyed this explainer and found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe for more practical finance tips every single week. Catch you next time.